Hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we're gonna solve a question that has been asked in many of the interviews, and it was asked in one of my interview also, to find a triplet sum in an array. Okay, so you can see that it has a medium tag in it and accuracy is 49.0%, and let us ignore it. Okay, so what this question says that you are given an array of size n and integer x. You have to find a triplet, it means three numbers from that array that sums up to give the integer x. You can also find the modified version of this question. It will say that just find a triplet sum that is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see that in this example we have given this array and we have to find 13 as a sum. So the triplet is 1, 4 and 8. Okay, so let's just dive right into our VS Code and see how we can solve it. Okay, so I have been given with an array, this 1, 4, 5, 6, 10 and 8. This is the same array, that is this, and I have given a x as 20. I will also take 13 as example. So firstly let us see on which algorithm this question is based. This question is based on two fingers algorithm or two pointer algorithm. Okay, so if you know this algorithm, this question will be very easy for you to solve. Okay, so what two finger algorithm or two pointer algorithm says that, it says that, let's say that I have this array which has 1, 4, 45, 6, 10 and 8, and let's say that I have to find sum. So what this two fingers algorithm says that, two finger or two pointer algorithm, both will be same. Okay, that you have to find two numbers from this array that sums up to this given number. Okay, that add up to a given number. So what this two finger algorithm says that, let's start with the brute force method. If I go with the brute force method, so what I will do, so what I will do, I will just start a for loop I, and again I will start a for loop j, and what I will do, I will just check if array at I plus array at j sums up to sum. Okay, if this gives me the answer, I will return the value, or if not, I will just return false. If it gives me answer, so I will get this true, but if I don't get the answer, I will return false. Okay, so by this brute force method, my question will be solved in order of n square. Okay, n square, but I want to solve this more faster way. Okay, so what this two fingers algorithm says that, two fingers algorithm just says that you have to set two pointers in your array. You will set to what you can say I at the starting point, and you will set to j at the ending point. Okay, it means that I is equal to 0 and j is equal to length minus 1. Okay, and now we will iterate through whole array, and we will just check if array at I plus array at j, okay, if it is double equal to the sum, then we are good to go. We will return what you can say true, return true. Okay, if we are not equal to sum, so what we will check, array at I plus array at j, if it is greater than sum. Okay, if it is greater than sum, then what we will do, we will just decrease the size of j, decrease the index point at j, because if we add up 1 and 8, it is giving us 9, and let's say that we want 7, And one of the main prerequisite of this type of question is that your array should be shorted. Okay, I will show you in this. So one of the prerequisite that you should have your array shorted. Okay, so we will decrease this j to this point. So at this point we will have j at 10 and we don't have. And if our array at I plus array at j is less than sum, then what we will do, we will increase the position of I. We will just set my I at this point. Okay, I will remove from here, and then we will check whether it is equal or not. And how many times we will check? We will just start from I is equal to 0. I should go to L. L is the length, and I plus plus. So we can see that at the end of this for loop, we will get that yes, my array has this thing sum, and we have 2 elements in that array, and if it is not present, it will just return false. Okay, so let us see how we can use this pointer algorithm to solve this triplet sum array. Okay, what we will do, I hope that you all understand what is two fingers algorithm. Okay, if you don't understand, just comment me down. I will definitely get back to you on that. So what now we will do, we have some in our what you can say two fingers algorithm. We will set that to x minus array at 0. And now what we will do, we will use the all two fingers algorithm on my new array, and it will be my array will be 4, 45, 6, 10 and 8. At the end we want to have 3 values. Let's say it is 1 comma my answer of 20 will be 4, 6 and 10. Okay, so 4, 6 and 10, we want these values. So if and this should be equal to 20. Okay, so if I decrease this 4 from 20, so I will get 16, and I want only this, so it will be converted as a two fingers algorithm from our triple sum algorithm. So triple sum array question. Okay, so we are just converting our question from triple sum to two fingers algorithm, and this number will be what you can say changeable, mutable. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's start. Okay, so firstly what I will do, I will just create a variable I is equal to 0. I should be less than L minus 2. L minus 2 is just the case because if we are at this position and we have to check all of this, so that's why if we if at a point we are at this position 8 and we have to check our elements at the next elements, so we will not be able to check that. That's why we are doing that. Okay, and now what we will do, we will just have two variables, let left comma right. What this left comma right will do, this left comma right will be the new indexes of our new sub array. Let's say this is my new sub array, so left will be 4 and 8 will be right. Okay, so how we will do that, we will set left is equal to I plus 1. Okay, and now right is equal to L minus 1. So now my left is at 4 and right is pointing at 8. And now what we will do, we will just repeat everything till my left is less than right. Okay, and now what I will do, I will just check, let me just increase this size. I will check if array at I plus array at left plus array at right, okay, sums up to x. Okay, if this all sums up to x, or you can also do that x minus a at I that I was telling. Okay, so what we will do, we will just return true, and we will just console dot log true. Okay, and now what I will do, if let us just copy each and everything from here. Okay, and let me just print it once more time. Okay, and if this is greater than x, okay, if this is greater than x, then what we will do, we will decrease the size of right by 1. Okay, as we have seen in our 2 pointers algorithm. And if we see our that this is less than x, then what we will do, then we will increase these left by 1. Okay, this will do everything that we want. And at the end, okay, at the end of what we will do, we will do nothing. We'll just say that yes, our element is present, and if our element is not present, we are doing nothing. Or you can also use those flags to check that this thing. So I'm not doing that, I'm just going to check, is my answer coming or not. Okay, node, my application name is triple sum array. Okay, so I'm not getting any value. Why? Okay, the reason is because our two fingers algorithm has a prerequisite that our array should be shorted. So firstly, let me short my array. So my array will be array dot short, and then we will have a comma b. Then I will go to this point, return a minus b. Let's see, yeah, we can see that I got true. And if I set this to 100, let's see, does it gives any answer? Okay, so it doesn't give any answer. It means that we don't have a triplet. Let us change this to 13, and let's see, yeah, so you can see that I got true in my answer. Okay, so let us just post this thing in my what you can say, Geeks for Geeks console, and let's see what we get. So we'll just copy it and we will just paste it here. Okay, and we have x and array, so we will just change this to arr, and we will just change it to small x, and we have, I think we have l also, yeah, so this n will be converted to l. And if we don't get anything, let me just set it like this, and if we don't get anything, then we will just return false. Okay, what it say, arr is not defined. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's just compile it and see. I hope it's right. Yeah, true. And I don't want this thing. Okay, let us submit it. Okay, so you can see that I got my answer correct. Yeah. So this is the way in which you can solve this triple sum in array. Yeah. I hope that you got this, how we can solve this using a two fingers algorithm, converting our triplet sum question into two fingers algorithm. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me down and I will definitely get back to you on that. That's all for today.